And it reminds us of one of the Salaf of this ummah from the Tābi'een, Attaa bin Abi Rabaah, rahimahullah ta'ala, from the Tābi'een, from the students of Abdullah ibn Abbas and Abdullah ibn Umar. And he was a black man. And he was born as a slave. And then he was freed. And it is said that his appearance was unsightly. Ibn Sa'ad said about him, as collected by Imam al-Dhahabi in Siyar, that he said that he was a freed slave of Bani Fihr. Yet all of the people of Mecca would go to him, and also go to Mujahid, one of the other A'imma, for religious verdicts, with most of them actually going to Attaa bin Abi Rabaah. And the scholars that they described Attaa bin Abi Rabaah in his form, they said that he was a black man who had one eye. He was one-eyed, and he was black, and he was snub-nosed, nose like a bean, and he was crippled. That's how they described him. But in reality, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala raises the people. Remember, he is in Mecca, a freed slave, black. So what is in the minds of those people who look at forms and look at ajsam and look at the bodies of people? They want to know that the one that they're taking knowledge from, or that they are accompanying rather, and that they want to be around, that his body is sound, that he doesn't have any blemishes. Here we have a man that they used to say about him in his appearance that he was crippled, and he was blind in one eye, and he was unsightly. So his mother said to him, when he was still a young man, a young boy, he said, "Come here, my son, Attaa, and listen to me. You are a small boy, you are small in stature, and you are clumsy in your walk." Why? Because he was crippled. "And you are a freed slave. And on top of that, you are one-eyed." He was blind in one eye. "So I tell you, my son, go out and seek knowledge." So it is said that she mentioned these characteristics to him, so that he understands that that does not matter, that he goes out and he pursues his life and he seeks knowledge. When he heard these words from his mother, it toughened his heart, gave him resolve in his heart. So he pursued knowledge, so much so that his knowledge overshadowed all of those things that his mother knew about him. He's crippled, that the fact that he was crippled, the fact that he was a freed slave, the fact that some of the people would look at the color of his skin. He didn't care. He only could see through one eye. Attaa bin Abi Rabaah, this Tābi'i, became the leader of the people in knowledge in Mecca.